Welcome to this Excel training. What an exciting journey we're about to embark on together. Remember that you can download this workbook, the other trainings, and the solutions to those trainings in the resources lecture. If you haven't done that, go and do that right now so you can follow along with this lecture. I'm going to make this a 4-part training, quickly going over the basics, the VLOOKUPs, the pivot tables, and what I'm calling the rest, which is just everything else you need to learn about Excel, which we can quickly go over. I don't intend to spend a lot of time going over these, because I really think that the heart of training in Excel is doing projects, and that is the best way to learn, is just to get your feet on the ground and go for it. So I'm going to go over this quickly. I do encourage you to look through this because it's going to quickly go over a lot of what you need to know, and then you can really put it to practice in the projects. Now, for a really important bit that I want you to listen to, this workbook will not teach you everything you need to know about Excel, and the best way to continue to grow is first to study other people's work. Everybody's good at different things, and they all solve problems differently, and that is why I recommend looking at my solutions after the practice problems, because even if you're confident about your ability to do the work, you might see how I do it differently. The second thing you should know about actually getting good at Excel is that you need to use the internet to help you. It's a great resource, and if you've got questions about something in Excel, somebody else has also had that question before. And the last thing I want to mention before I actually go over the basics section is that it is suggested you learn the keyboard strokes, or the hotkeys, or the shortcut keys. And there is a resource for that in the downloads where I go over some of the main shortcut keys on a Windows keyboard. If you use a Mac, then I don't have the shortcut keys for it, but you can easily go look up how to do those. For the most part, hotkeys are faster, and for a lot of the course I will be using hotkeys. Now, moving on to the basics.